In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Terraria. Now, there's actually multiple ways that we can go ahead and download Terraria. One way is to go ahead and use a platform like Steam. And if you haven't already downloaded Steam, all you want to do is you want to look up Steam on any web browser, then go ahead and press on the official steam.com website, and then it is going to provide you with the official download. So all you want to do is you want to go over here and press on install Steam. And Steam is incredibly useful, not just for games like Terraria, but it will allow you to play a bunch of other games as well, and it will also make playing multiplayer significantly easier. But I already installed Steam before, so now all I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be installing the Steam application just like so. So let's just go ahead and press on run right over here, and now just wait for it to load in. All right, guys, and then here we are in the actual Steam store, and now all you want to do is you want to go to the search bar and then just type in Terraria just like so, and there you go. Here is the official download for Terraria. Here's the official download for Terraria, and all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on add to cart right over here, or you guys could also get the Terraria 4 pack as well, which will actually give you 4 copies of Terraria, and you can send them to your friends. So if this is something you're interested in, feel free to go ahead and buy it. But anyways, guys, in order to actually buy Terraria, just press on add to cart, press on view to cart, and from here, all you want to do is you want to select on whether you want it for your account or another person, or if you want it to be private, this is completely up to you. But all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on continue to payment. And from here, you want to go ahead and select on your payment method. So this is completely up to you. You guys could use PayPal, a bank account, a debit card, and then all you want to do is you want to press on continue. Then you want to go ahead and actually purchase the game. And from there, you can go ahead and just download it to your device. Alternatively, if you are on a mobile device, then you want to go ahead and open up the Google Play Store if you're on an Android, or you want to go ahead and open up the App Store if you're on an iOS. Then you want to go ahead and go to the search bar, and then type in Terraria one more time. And then from here, you will actually be able to go ahead and purchase it for $5. So that's honestly pretty cool. It is cheaper to actually get the mobile version of it. So if that is something you're interested in, then I highly recommend that you guys get the mobile version if you want to get it at a discount. Obviously, you will only be able to play it on mobile. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.